Welcome to another Momsen Wild video. In this chapter, we are at Intaka Island for a bird hide session. Intaka Island is a 16-hectare urban nature reserve and bird sanctuary within Century City area. Good morning. I am on my way to the Kingfisher Hide here at Intaka Island and just going to have a nice easy session. Let's see what we can find. I haven't been here in a very long time, so I'm hoping that my Malachite Kingfishers will make an appearance. That will be awesome. I hope there is place in the hide. The hide is normally popular in the morning, so let's have a look. The Kingfisher hide is the most popular hide for birders and photographers, as the sought-after colorful and mesmerizing Malachite Kingfisher resides here. Sometimes the giant kingfisher makes a cameo appearance. Information boards are very informative about the species on offer and about good hide etiquette and ethics. I'm just here to enjoy the session, regardless of the outcome of the content. The brown-throated martins can often be seen gliding over the waters here. It lives in open places like rivers, wetlands, and wide fields where insects drift through the air. It is almost always seen in flight, moving with light, fluttering wings instead of strong, fast stroke. At times it flies alone, at other times it joins loose groups of swallows and swifts, all cutting through the sky together. Difficult to photograph in flight because they are extremely fast, erratic. Even with the latest eye tracking technology, it is a difficult exercise to do well. This is the darling and spectacle of Intaka Island's birds, the Malachite Kingfisher, famous for waiting motionless before suddenly dive bombing in the water to snatch their prey, mainly fish. Found in nearly every water-rich habitat, streams, rivers, lakes, rice paddies and lagoons. Intaka Island opened my world to the kingfisher species. Here I first saw the pied kingfisher, the Malachite Kingfisher, and the giant kingfisher. It became a Saturday morning addiction. This bird has also earned me Instagram features and print publications. It's so amazing that a bird no bigger than 5 inches long has a big place in the hearts of many Cape Town birders, photographers, and nature enthusiasts. I took many photos of these kingfishers. You can't get enough of photographing them. Their appearance, their behavior, and the hope to capture something new and something different every time. Bird hides like Intaka Island have made observing and photographing these incredible birds almost a pipe dream within 15 minutes from home. But I still want to experience this bird out in the open, using a bird blind to get closer and more intimate moments and emotive photographs. Hidden in Century City, Intaka Island is serving nature walks, bird life, and picnic date perfection. Come to feel the outdoor vibes.